babysit your daughter for you.
Oh, thank you.
Ooh. I'm gonna go jump off this cliff. No, I'm your babysitter.
I challenge you to a paper airplane contest.
I don't even know what a paper airplane is.
Then learn.
I guess this is how you do it.
Those fools don't even know what a paper airplane is. Yes, it's coming along great. I am gonna win. There's no way we can fail. It's perfect. Mentally slow. That was terrible. Crap! What are you doing? Go away! Go away!
Loser!
I won, okay? I won.